Hello guys. So this is Shafiq from FACADEMY. I'm your FACADEMY trader. Alright, today I want to share 3 important trading lessons that I've learned in the past recent months. And as you guys know, market have been very challenging. There's like indecision and volatility in the market. But it have been very interesting time as well for us to really gain insight about our own self. And here is my thought, right? This is basically 3 lessons that I learned from myself, and what I've learned from my own trading perspective and trading style. So hopefully you guys can take some of a few pointers that could be also helpful in your trading journey. So here is it. Alright, lesson number 1. It is okay to have a slight drop in your trading performance. It is because of the difficult market times, but it is also something that very important for you guys to experience, for you to improve your trading and also your mentality, your perspective about the market. One way for you guys to do this is basically to do your trading performance comparison with indexes, with fund portfolio performance. Compare your performance with your friends' performance, and from there maybe you can gain some important perspective, right? Because at the end of the day, trading is about journey, right? It's not a competition. It's not who is doing better and who is, who gain the biggest and whatnot. It's about a journey. It's a game to beat your own self. So what important is to stay objective and to always be on top of having the best perspective ever about how you should look at the market. And this perspective along the way is how you shape yourself as a trader, right? So difficult times sure will come, right? So now is probably the difficult times. Just to take the L and move on, right? Learn what you should improve, what you should do to make your trading performance better, so that you can gain more experience and better perspective, right? So yeah, that's lesson number 1. Lesson number 2, this is something that more personal. My trading style is more to discretionary trading style compared to a lot of other peoples that have like systemic trading style. So related to point number 1, right, to lesson number 1. So what I did is I do some trading performance comparison on myself and also on within my community members in FACADEMY. So what I discovered is my performance have a slight drop. That's number 1. And number 2, some of my members that have a different trading style and approach have a better trading returns. So of course, being the figurehead, at first it put me in a lot of pressure, but because the lesson number 1, right, we need to have the better perspective, we need to have a good perspective, and we need to find what we can improve instead of blaming ourselves and whatnot. So I take the L and go through the comparison, and I realized that being a discretionary trader in a bad market situation have put me a lot in the position that being really risk averse, take a very conservative approach. I do lesser trade compared to take the chances and opportunity in the market, while my other members, which is more to systemic trading style, he have a proper system that he can rely on, a buy signal, sell signal. He just follow through whatever signal that he sees day-to-day basis, and at the end of the day, within the 3 months, he gains like 40+%, while me myself within this year-to-date performance is just 20%. So it makes me realize that alright, maybe being a discretionary trader in difficult times put me a little bit in backstep, right? Put me a little bit on hold, rather than just being really being more little bit aggressive in maximizing my return and profit. But it is something that I learned that quite interesting. Definitely, being a discretionary trader, we can also apply systemic trading system that is work, right? I mean, it's easy for discretionary trader to apply systemic trading system in their own system. So I guess that is something that I will consider to do, right? Because in the event when in the environment where I don't see where's the market direction is, I can 100% rely on my systemic trading, right, system, and also have a proper risk management according to that, right? I think that is a better approach. We can be more flexible and also more versatile in the way we can make money in the market, and not just being rigid with with whatever style that we have. um, and this is also the approach that I have take in past few years of my trading. Because for example in the bursa market, right, bursa have been slightly down trend uh, all for past 3 years. So what I did is, probably some of trading strategy like breakout strategy, trend trading strategy is not really played well in the market. So I also learned few other strategies like pullback strategies, rebound strategies, reversal strategies to also identify market opportunities. So on that way, I put myself a little bit on uh, versatile stages that I can take a different strategies to maximize my profit and making my return in the market. So I think this is another hit that this is also another lesson that I realized how to be more complete as a trader, on how to make a better trading performance. And lesson number 3, it is important for you guys to have buddies of traders, community of traders that really helpful throughout your trading journey, right? It's helpful, they motivate each other, they help each other through difficult times, sharing their insight, sharing their opinions. So all of this is very important for you to grow as a trader and investor, and especially if you have your own, if you have a really good community, right? So those who are still trade alone, I suggest you guys to join our FACADEMY Discord for free, right? We open that for everyone that want to join. Guys can join our FACADEMY Discord. Over there we have like very bright community member, sharing their trading strategies and insight, sharing their opinions, sharing their performance, right? Share their profit, motivate each other and whatnot. Because at the end of the day, right, how I realized my second lesson, which is what I can improve as a discretionary trader, is also because of the community that I have, right? So lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 will not be there without the lesson number 3, which is to have a proper community, right, for you to rely on. So that's why find a good buddies of traders and investor, learn what you can learn, improve what you can improve, and yeah, don't forget to join FACADEMY Trader also. We have a very good community. I'm probably the figurehead, one of the figurehead of the FACADEMY members, which is I'm a trader of FACADEMY. But we learn from each other, right? It's not just me giving instruction what to buy, what to, what to sell, what is my opinion and whatnot. All the member also giving their best to provide in the community. So I hope this video have been very helpful. This is basically 3 important lessons that I have learned in the market. Hopefully you guys can take some pointers for you to be better in your trading journey. Alright, so I guess that's all. Thanks everyone, bye.